With a wealth of experience in real estate, DeVon is an expert ready to share his knowledge with your audience. DeVon's journey from corporate executive to leading PDG has provided him with a unique perspective on the real estate industry. His career is marked by a passion for architecture, a commitment to diversity, and a deep understanding of project development and construction management. DeVon has spoken at events on inclusion, diversity, and real estate. He offers keynote speeches, workshops, and consultations tailored to specific audiences. DeVon regularly shares design and construction best practices and emphasizes diversity in commercial real estate through guest lectures, panels, and workshops for students, executives, and nonprofit leaders. DeVon's career has earned him features in leading industry publications like Commercial Observer, Crain's New York, Real Estate Weekly, The Real Deal, and BizNo. DeVon Prioleau is motivated by the chance to inspire and empower industry professionals, aspiring entrepreneurs, and students. For speaking opportunities and engagements that will enrich your audience, contact DeVon today.